Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you love cycling and need a secure, easy way to transport your bike, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best car bicycle racks, carefully selected for their build quality, ease of use, compatibility, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Allen Sports Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Rack. The Allen Sports Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Rack is a classic favorite among cyclists for one simple reason. It's incredibly easy to use and highly dependable. Its patented individual tie-down system secures each bike independently, allowing for adjustable and stable positioning no matter your frame style, road bike, hybrid, or mountain bike. To protect your car's finish, Allen includes high-density foam feet that gently rest against your vehicle's surface, ensuring no scratches or dents occur during transport. The 5-point attachment system keeps the rack stable on all types of terrain, preventing unwanted movement even when driving on bumpy roads. Installation takes just minutes, and once mounted, it stays firmly in place. The fold-flat design also makes it easy to store when not in use, perfect for riders with limited space. Built from durable steel, this rack provides the ideal balance of strength and portability, making it a top choice for casual cyclists and weekend adventurers alike. Reviewers love how quick it is to install and appreciate its solid, no-wobble hold. Many highlight that it fits a wide range of vehicles and keeps bikes scratch-free. A few note that the straps can require tightening on long drives, but overall, users praise it for its reliability and value. Number 2. Allen Sports Deluxe 4-Bike Hitch Rack. Next, the Allen Sports Deluxe 4-Bike Hitch Rack, a sturdy solution for families or cycling groups. Designed for 2-inch receiver hitches, this model can carry up to 4 bikes securely thanks to Allen's signature individual tie-down cradle system, which holds each bike firmly while preventing frame-to-frame contact. One of its standout features is the foldable carry arms, which tuck neatly out of the way when not in use. The rack's tilt-away design also lets you access your vehicle's trunk or liftgate without removing the entire setup, a huge convenience on road trips. The no-wobble bolt system keeps the rack snug in the hitch receiver, minimizing movement during transit. Combined with a durable powder-coated finish, it's protected from rust and road debris. Assembly is straightforward, with all hardware included. Once installed, the rack feels incredibly secure, even with 4 full-sized bikes loaded. Users appreciate its robust build and stability, even on long drives. Many families love how easy it is to load and unload multiple bikes without scratching frames. Some mention that it's slightly heavy, but that weight translates into impressive durability. Overall, the Deluxe 4-Bike Hitch Rack earns top marks for safety, convenience, and practicality. Number 3. Young Electric Platform Bike Rack. The Young Electric Platform Bike Rack is built for serious riders who need heavy-duty performance, especially for electric bikes or multiple standard bicycles. Constructed from reinforced steel and aluminum, it supports up to 200 pounds total, or 100 pounds per bike, making it one of the strongest racks in its class. The platform-style design ensures bikes stay upright and stable during transport. Its anti-wobble structure and patented wheel cradles prevent bikes from swaying or hitting the car, even on rough roads. A built-in loading ramp is one of its most convenient features, allowing you to roll heavier e-bikes directly onto the platform. No heavy lifting required. When not needed, the ramp stows neatly into the frame. It's compatible with 2-inch hitch receivers and RV approved, making it perfect for road trips or cross-country adventures. Despite its strength, the design remains user-friendly, with quick-release clamps and adjustable arms that fit a wide range of tire sizes and bike frames. Reviewers praise its robust design and easy loading system. Many e-bike owners call it a lifesaver, saying it handles heavy bikes without flexing. A few mention it's heavier than lighter-duty racks, but that's the trade-off for its strength. Users consistently rate it as one of the most secure and durable racks for long-distance travel. Number 4. Young Electric Platform Minivan Carrier. If you drive a van, SUV, or crossover, the Young Electric Platform Minivan Carrier offers a perfect balance of capacity and convenience. Built from high-grade steel, this rack can support 2 bikes up to 100 pounds each, making it ideal for electric bikes or full-sized mountain bikes. The design features soft padded hooks that secure each frame without scratching paint, while adjustable wheel trays accommodate tires up to 5 inches wide and wheelbases up to 58 inches. The tilt-back design allows easy trunk access even when the rack is loaded, and the foldable frame makes storage simple when not in use. A hitch tightener eliminates movement between the receiver and rack, keeping your bikes rock solid in transit. Plus, the built-in rear reflector boosts visibility at night for added safety. Pre-assembled components speed up setup, and the 2-inch hitch compatibility ensures a snug, secure fit on most vehicles. Owners love its heavy-duty build and how effortlessly it handles 2 large bikes. They appreciate the thoughtful design touches, especially the padded hooks and easy tilt-back feature. A few note that the rack's weight can make installation a 2-person job, but everyone agrees the stability and protection are worth it. It's a dependable, high-capacity choice for both family trips and solo riders. Number 5. Saris Freedom Arc-Based Hitch Rack. Rounding out the list, the Saris Freedom Arc-Based Hitch Rack, a lightweight yet innovative option for those who value design simplicity and broad compatibility. Weighing just 11 pounds, this rack uses an arc-based frame that separates bikes at different heights, reducing frame contact and potential scratches. The premium hold-down system makes loading and unloading fast, while injection-molded arms and legs add exceptional strength without unnecessary bulk. Rubberized feet protect your vehicle's finish, and the rust-free construction ensures lasting durability. The Freedom can carry 2 bikes up to 35 pounds each, making it ideal for road or mountain bikes. What really sets it apart is its wide compatibility. It works with sedans, hatchbacks, SUVs, and even vehicles with rear spoilers. A QR code on the product links directly to Saris's Fit Guide, helping users confirm compatibility instantly. Setup is simple, and its lightweight frame makes it easy to remove or store when not in use. For anyone who values practicality and style, the Freedom Hitch Rack is a smart, reliable pick. Cyclists love how easy it is to handle and install, especially compared to bulkier racks. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best car-bicycle racks. Each of these models delivers a blend of strength, convenience, and reliability, whether you're hauling a couple of road bikes for a weekend ride or transporting electric bikes across the country. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest gear reviews and outdoor accessory recommendations. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.